Hi everyone, welcome to this unboxing. Today I am opening my new camera, the Canon EOS R. This camera replaces my old one, which was the Canon 6D Mark II, which was a DSLR camera. This is my first Canon mirrorless. I have had Sony mirrorless, both full frame and APS-C. But at this stage I've decided to stick with the Canon brand once again and go for the EOS R. So let's have a look what's in the box. We've got the manual, the LPE6N battery, the micro USB cable, the power cord that goes with the charger inside there, that's the one. And then at second layer we've got the shoulder strap and of course the EOS R camera. So I'll talk about the specs a little bit as we have a closer look at some of the things in the box. So we'll start with the camera, of course. It comes with a 30.3 megapixel full frame CMOS sensor. It has the Digic 8 imaging processor and it can lock focus in as little as 0.05 seconds. It has an incredible number of autofocus points, 5,655 compared to my Canon 6D Mark II, which only had 45. It also has very good frame coverage with those points, so 100% of the vertical screen and 88% of the horizontal. It has eye detection AF and also the ability to focus in the dark all the way down to EV of -6. The varied LCD screen that's at the back of the camera is one of the big things that drew me to the camera. I loved it on the 6D Mark II and I'm sure I will on this one again. It has a high resolution on this one of 2.1 million dots and the size of the screen is 3.15 inches. It can be adjusted to various angles and comes with full touch control. And the viewfinder on this camera is electronic. It's a 0.5 inch OLED. Moving on to some of the performance specs of the camera. It can shoot continuously at approximately 8 frames per second. It can record movies at 4K 30p. It can do time lapses in 4K or full high definition. And its standard ISO range is 100 to 40,000, but it can be expanded right up to 102,400. It has only one memory slot. It takes an SD, an SDHC or an SDXC memory card, and it is UHS 2 and UHS 1 compatible. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are built into the camera, and the camera uses the standard LPE6N batteries. The lens mount is designed for RF lenses. If you do want to fit on EF or EFS lenses, there is one adapter that will fit both of them onto the camera. As far as dimensions and weight, it's approximately 135 by 98 by 84 millimeters, which is 5.35 by 3.87 by 3.32 inches, and it weighs in at around 580 grams or 20.46 ounces, which is the body only. So that brings us to the end of the unboxing and the basic specs. If you've got any questions, just leave them for me in the comments. If you've got any ideas of what videos you'd like to see next on this channel, please let me know as well. I hope you've enjoyed the very quick unboxing and specs. I just like to do these quick videos so that people get an overall idea of the product. And we can go into more detail if you like. Just leave me a comment with what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and I'll chat to you in the next video. Bye!